everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I helped Mom cook our lunch. Can you guess what we had? Cantonese lobster noodles, yeah! This super yummy dish is always on the menu for most of Asian parties. It's tasty and of course messy too. First, I want to talk about our fresh homemade egg noodles. It's easy to make, but you need a machine for it. If not, don't worry. You could buy any kind of thick egg noodles at any Asian markets. The pasta maker has 4 discs for pasta, macaroni, linguine, and wonton sheet. So, find the pasta disc attached to the machine. It's just a piece of cake, right? We need 500 grams all-purpose flour, measuring by the flour cup of the pasta makers. 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. If you don't have it or vegetarian, use mushroom powder or 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Now the liquid. We need 3 eggs and add more water to reach the 190 milliliters water line of the cup. Mix well. Turn the machine on. Press the cup button twice to let the machine know we make almost 600 grams of noodles. Press start. Slowly pour the egg liquid in the machine through the hole on the cap. Whoa, you see that? It will mix still for 3 minutes. Keep an eye on that. Turn off the machine when it comes to 12 minutes left. Let the dough rest for 5 minutes. Five minutes resting. After 5 minutes, turn the machine on. Mix for another 3 minutes. Ooh, you see the dough? So you gotta be patient because it might take a little bit long. Don't you see the dough forming? Turn the machine off at 12 minutes left. Rest still for another 5 minutes. You will see the dough look softer and moisturized. After 5 minutes resting, turn machine on for another 3 minutes. Whoa, it reminds me of popcorn for some reason. Whoa, you see that? It's mixing. Turn off machine at 12 minutes left. Now rest still for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. The more you rest, the more chewy the noodles are. Just keep in mind that. After 30 minutes resting, you will see the gluten in the noodles have been developed a lot. When handling dough, it is distant advantage to allow the dough to rest during the progress. This allows the gluten to relax and easily reform itself into the long protein chains. In this step, we don't need to stop the machine. Just let it do its own work until the ends. But we need the plate. Our fresh egg noodles are here. Whoa. Cut it as long as you desire. So now sprinkle the flour so the noodle won't stick together. Ooh, it looks also fun to touch. we have around 600 grams of fresh egg noodles. Cook it in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. Just seconds, okay? Boil 8 cups water. Now just quick boil our pre-cooked egg noodles. Just around 30 seconds. Rinse it through tap water until it cooled down. Keep it in the strainers. This Philips pasta maker is super cool, right? You can make healthy macaroni from scratch with any vegetables you love. You could look for this from the link below on the description. Now let's talk about our main ingredient, lobster. You could use live lobster or frozen lobster tails like Mom. It's up to your desire, but every kind still need to chop them off. At this point, many restaurants keep fried the lobsters in a large wok to quickly seal in the juices. This process only takes 20 seconds or so, but for home cooking, we'll use a smaller pot and fry in batches. But Mom will show you how to fry lobster in an air fryer. It's quicker and healthier. We need to preheat it at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. 4 tablespoons cornstarch to the lobster. Mix them up. Wow, it looks like snow. Okay, it's time to talk about the spices and the other ingredients. To make the unique sauce, we need ginger, shallots, garlic, scallions, jalapenos, onions, sesame oil, shrimp paste, cornstarch, soy sauce. Wow, so many ingredients. Now just spray the cooking oil to the preheat air fryer. Drop the lobster into the air fryer. Spray the cooking oil over the lobster again before frying. Cook lobster at 400 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Now in super hot wok. 1 tablespoon minced shallots and 2 tablespoons minced garlic and 1 tablespoon thin sliced ginger in. Ooh, you see it bubbling? When the wonderful smells through the house, 1/3 stick of butter in. Let the butter melt. Pour our cooked egg noodles and stir fry until the noodles are fully mixed with all the spices about 2 minutes. Season noodles with soy sauce and sesame oil. Add more soy sauce for your taste. Turn off the heat. Pour it out in the big plate. Believe me, it smells so good already. This is called garlic noodles. Now the same hot wok with the smells like heaven. Ha ha ha. Sew everything in. Spices always come first. Be careful with the jalapeno. The smell of that will make you sneeze. Now the shrimp paste in. Give it a good stir. Oh, the smell, sorry, I cannot hold it. Haha. Now 2 cups hot water and we need lots of the sauce. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. And don't drop the chopstick in the pot, Now let's taste it. Be careful, it's hot. It tastes amazing, OMG. Now add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 cup water, mix well. And pour into the sauce to make it thicker. Stir well. Mom wants the sauce to taste sweeter, so she adds 2 tablespoons sugar. Please taste it and season it for your best taste. Add more soy sauce and sesame oil for your desires. Now lobster in, oh yeah. Mix all up well. The lobsters need well absorbed with our beautiful sauce. And last but not least, 2 bunch of scallions in. Mix well again. Okay, I am hungry now. Pour the lobster and sauce on top of our prepared garlic noodles. It's a savory dish with lots of taste combined together in your mouth. It's just so creamy and yummy. And it's sweet. See? And the smell of it just smells so good. Oh, just look at that. Aren't you drooling right now? Yum. Wow, yum. It's making me so hungry. Bye everyone. Hope you enjoy our video. And if you do make it, I hope you'll love the taste of it. Because when I tried it, it tastes super good. I was like, yum. And I actually ate lots of lobster. It was just so good. So bye. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.